Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I thought I had found the holy grails of sunscreens. Dries quickly, not oily, no strong scents, but most importantly, this was $8 when I made the video 6 months ago, but it has since doubled in price to $16. Still not a bad deal because you're getting 140 grams. I've made a lot of sunscreen videos on here, Biore, Centella, Beauty of Joseon, Anessa. Those are all significantly smaller, 50, 60, 70 grams and $16 to $20. So this is still half price, but it used to be a quarter of the price, and they all kind of feel the same to me. I love all the Japanese and Korean sunscreens I've tried, so I prioritize price now. Let's go see if we could find a better deal. Let's go shopping. We are back from shopping. I just made unboxing videos for these two. I've never been so excited to try sunscreen. This is 220 grams for $15. I picked up the second least expensive. This Suncut was $9 for 80 grams, but based off of pure value, I think we have a winner here. It is only SPF32. Let's give them a quick comparison. I think everything I've tried on this channel is SPF50, PA++++, 4 pluses. So this one only has 3 pluses, but it's looking a little white. That one's a little yellow. This one's maybe a little watery, but let's give it a try. It already feels like it's absorbing quicker than the Suncut. I know it's because it's SPF 30 instead of 50, but I'm not noticing any huge smell difference. It's definitely watery, and that's my preference. So without giving it a few more days, I'm already liking this one better based off of pure value. And it seems more watery and dries a little bit quicker. But like all my sunscreen videos, I like to give it a few days and see how they feel. I was gonna give these a couple more days, but this one is such a good deal. It is gonna be hard to beat. I really enjoy using the Suncut. It's a little more creamy, but they feel very similar. Not oily, dries quickly, no strong scents. If this one ever goes on sale and it's similar price, I will happily buy the Suncut, but we got our new holy grail sunscreen. Hopefully I don't have to make another video on testing different sunscreens. I'm okay even sacrificing a little SPF from 50 down to 32 and sacrificing a PA+, because for me, I just want something that goes on nice and is inexpensive. Video 375 done.